Hello again everyone, it's Corey. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing these 2-inch rear wheel spacers on my John Deere 2025R. These are the BRO-TEK brand and they are billet aluminum. There's the grade right there, 6061-T6 billet aluminum with grade 10.9 hardware. So all the hardware is included. The only thing you'll need to buy is this thread locker. Permatex or Loctite brand is sufficient, as long as it's the blue medium strength type. So go ahead and get started here. To remove this wheel, these are 3/4, so we'll go ahead and loosen those and then jack the tractor up. Alright, the lug bolts are all loose. Now I have the rear backhoe attachment, so I'm going to use the outriggers to lift the rear of the tractor up. But if you don't have the backhoe attachment, you have to use a standard jack and get underneath there and jack it up. Alright, there we go. I put the plywood down just to protect the floor of my garage, but it's unnecessary. So now we can go ahead and remove the wheels. Be careful, these are heavy. Alright, so what we need to do now is clean up this surface. See, there's a little bit of dust and dirt on there. Clean that off so we have a clean mating surface, and then we'll mount the spacer right on. There we go, nice and clean. Alright, now we can install the spacer. So make sure the mating surface is clean on this side. And go ahead and line the holes up. Once you have the holes lined up, then you can get your hardware and apply the thread locker and go ahead and start to thread these in by hand. Alright, when applying the thread locker, you don't need that much. Don't go crazy. Just a little bit like this. Now it's ready to install. Okay, I'm just going to tighten these up hand tight for now. Do this in a crisscross pattern, guys. These get torqued to 70 foot-pounds, but the instructions state to torque them at half of that first, so we'll do 35 foot-pounds, and then once we reach that setting, we'll up it to the full 70. So these are all hand tight. I'm going to get my torque wrench, set it for 35 foot-pounds, torque them, and then increase it to 70, and torque them again, and then we should be set. Make sure your parking brake is set. Hopefully it holds it. If it doesn't, you'll have to get a bar or something in here to hold this from spinning. Alright, here we go. 35 foot-pounds, first time around. Let's see. I'm just going to slowly work my way around. Alright, that's 35. Now I'm going to go ahead and up it to 70 foot-pounds, which is what they require. Alright, here we go. I'm lucky my parking brake is doing very well at holding this. Excellent. That's it for that. Now we can go ahead and put the wheel on. Take these nuts off. Okay, ready for the wheel. Here's what it looks like from the back side. Figured I'd show you guys before I put the wheel on. Alright, this might be a little challenging. Just don't hurt yourself doing this. You could use a shovel, put it underneath the tire and use that to help you lift it up into position. But I'm going to try it without that first and see how it goes here. Okay. There we go. Now I can go ahead and install the lug nuts. And these also get torqued to 70 foot-pounds. Double check. Perfect. All right. That is that. Looks pretty good. And it's nice it clears the deck too. So those of you wondering if it'll clear your deck, it does. These are 2-inch spacers. I didn't do this left side yet. And this is the 60-inch deck. So it'll definitely clear this side too, which is good. That's before, after. And that's the final result. I like it. Well, I hope you guys found this helpful. It's pretty straightforward. The instructions are good from BRO-TEK. I'm impressed with the product so far. So if you liked it, hit that like button, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Okay, I got the other side done. That's what it looks like. And it does in fact clear the deck. I think it looks pretty good.